The first step is to open a part record in Cetec ERP. Once on the part record, click into the Edit screen. Click Edit. On the Edit screen you will see the shelf life field. Set the shelf life to the number of weeks needed. This correlates to how many weeks the part can be on the shelf until the part loses its ability to function normally. Scroll down and click Update. Since the shelf CDTI was 0 before it was updated, it will update all of the bin's expiration dates. Click into the Edit screen of the bin. You can see the new expiration date. You can also set the expiration date on the receiving screen when receiving a PO. Click Receive. Go to the bin you just received on the part record. Click Edit. Here you can see the Expires on field shows the expiration date you input on the receiving screen. Click Set Bin Data. There are a few config settings that affect expired bins. Navigate to Admin. Click Config Settings. Click Config Settings. Search for Waterfall. Don't remove expired bin CI. This config setting keeps the expired bin's quantity as usable quantity on the waterfall. Set the config setting to 1 to turn it on. Click Set. Back on the part record, click Activity Plus. Click Waterfall. Here you can see the expiring bin. In this case, since that config setting is on, the bin quantity won't be removed from the projected QOH. Here you can see the expiration date. Back on the config settings page, there is another config setting that will affect expired bins. Lock bins when expired will lock the bin once it is expired. Click Submit. Set that config setting to 1 to turn it on. Back on the part record, I have a bin that is already expired. Click Edit. You can see the expiration date. The bin is locked and it lets you know that it's expired. That's it. You're done.